Many individuals who developed non-Hodgkin lymphoma after using Roundup have sought compensation. Settlements have been reached in several high-profile cases, highlighting the potential risks associated with the product. These settlements often involve significant financial payouts. The legal battles surrounding Roundup have raised awareness about the dangers of glyphosate, its active ingredient. Studies have suggested a correlation between glyphosate exposure and the development of certain cancers. This has prompted further investigation into the safety of herbicides. Bayer, the company behind Roundup, has faced mounting pressure from both consumers and regulators. In response, they have pledged to improve product safety and transparency. However, many believe that more stringent regulations are necessary. Victims of Roundup-related health issues have formed support groups to share their experiences. These communities provide a platform for individuals to connect and seek justice. They also help raise awareness about the potential risks of herbicide exposure. The settlements have varied widely, depending on the specifics of each case. Some plaintiffs have received millions, while others have settled for smaller amounts. This inconsistency reflects the complexities of each individual situation. As more evidence emerges, the future of Roundup remains uncertain. Ongoing research may lead to further legal actions and settlements. Consumers are encouraged to stay informed about the potential risks associated with herbicide use.